I told you that you're just a few steps away from making $200 a day right from your couch. Sounds too good to be true, right? So I'll show you 5 methods that are not only proven but simple enough to start today, right now. So if it's your first time here, a warm welcome. And if you're back for more, thank you for tuning in again. I am Zion, and on this channel, we explore practical ways to make money online and take control of your financial future.
Bring me my money.
Get this money.
First off, virtual assistant services. This is secret sauce for many remote workers. Like, imagine getting paid for organizing someone else's chaos. Like, this is mind-blowing. Like, whether it's managing emails, booking appointments, or even handling social media accounts, you can make this work from home from the comfort of your couch. Like, this is fascinating. BillSolutions.com and TimeETC.com will help you get started on this particular site. Also, now here's the best part. If you are charging just $25 per hour, you only need 8 hours a week to hit that $200 mark, and it's flexible, high demand, and with the right skills, you can even scale this into a full-time gig and specialize in a niche, whether it's social media management or executive assistance. The more targeted your skills are, the higher you can charge. And this is just the beginning of something that you can start from nothing to take you to a greater height. So have you ever thought about designing your own product as well? Designing your own product doesn't mean you have to be a professional before you get started. You don't need to be a professional artist to make money with print-on-demand services. So here's how it works. Print-on-demand services is a process whereby you create simple designs and you upload them to a platform, and when somebody buys your product, the platform handles everything. Like, when I mean everything, from printing to shipping. You can use platforms like Printful and Teespring.com for this particular site also gig. Here's how this particular print-on-demand site also adds up to you making this $200 mark. And like, if you sell 20 products with $10 profit margin each, and just like that, you've earned $200. Like, check this out. Just 10 times 20 is worth 200, and this can easily be attained using print-on-demand services, using Printful and these platforms that I mentioned earlier. So there's no need for inventory or shipping hassles. You just have to focus on trending topics or designs that resonate with your target audience. The pop culture themes or very funny quotes are often well on the selling side on this particular site also. All right, I know what you're thinking. This next site also is online service. Yes, come on, I know what you're thinking. So you're thinking, how can online service really make me $200 a week? Isn't that what you're thinking? Now here's the truth. While surveys alone won't make you rich, they can definitely be part of your strategy if you combine it with many other, income streams. Yes, that's just the trick. So here's how to maximize this site also. You just have to sign up to multiple online service platforms to get more high-paying surveys. So you can definitely start with surveyjunkie.com and swagbox.com, which I had mentioned earlier in some videos. A few hours of answering questions and you can start seeing the dollars add up. Like, the trick is, you just have to be consistent. Like, stay consistent. Look for surveys or research panels that pay more. So you definitely want to keep your eyes open for sign-up bonuses and referral programs. They are definitely quick ways to boost your earnings from the start, just like that. So if you love snapping photos, why not? You can get paid for them with this next site also, and that's stock photography. And stock photography is a very passive way to generate income. All you have to do is upload your images to stock websites, and every time someone downloads your photo, you earn a commission. So you can get started by uploading those photos to a website like shutterstock.com or adobestock.com. And here's the math. You can earn anywhere from $1 to $50 per photo depending on usage rights. Just a few downloads per week and you are well on your way to hitting that $200 mark. So you just focus on themes that are in demand, like travel, food, or business photos. All of these sells like hotcake, and you definitely want to try that out. So last but not least, let's talk about content creation. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, a blog, or even a podcast, This is one of the most powerful ways to create not just $200 a day, but potentially far more. So building an audience may take time, but once you've got that following, like that audience that actually look up to your content, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or even products. You know, the sky is the limit here. And if you're passionate about what you are creating, like the content you are creating, it won't even feel like work. And consistency in this is the key. Just pick a niche that you enjoy and stick with it. Your audience will grow, you will grow, and so your earnings. So whether it's virtual assistant, print on demand, and online surveys, stock photography, or content creation, these are all practical and achievable ways to boost your income right from your couch. So if you've got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so you never miss a new upload on this channel. Let me know in the comments which method you'll be trying first, and I'll catch you in the next video.